What's up, you guys? It's Ashton, and today we're going to be making slime. Why? I have no idea, actually. I just thought, I'm just going to make a video of me making slime, because if you haven't seen Emma Chamberlain's video of her making slime, I saw that and I was like, I want to try, because I've never actually tried to make slime, and I freaking love slime. Like, that's all that's on my Explore page on Instagram. So I'm gonna try to make slime. We have some ingredients. Okay, we have a bowl. I have my computer right here on the side to tell me what I need, just to be sure that I don't fuck anything up, because that's all I do. So we need glue. We have plenty of that. We have two. I'm on FaceTime with someone. This is a bit of a problem. So we have glue. Saline solution. Well, this is like contact lens solution. So there's that. Baking soda. Right here, my bad bitches. Water. Let me get up and get it. This is a fucking hassle if you ask me. In a spray bottle, so we're just gonna sit there. Measuring cups. I don't fuck with that. So I'm sorry that my slime is gonna be really boring, because it's gonna be white, just like me. But it's fine, because I'm boring too. Alright, anyways. So we're just gonna eye it, and I'm doing this on my bed. Yeah, very smart idea. Shut up! It's getting everywhere already. I also wanted to do a floral foam video, because that shit's all over my timeline too. But I just didn't know what else I would do in the video, just squeeze floral foam. I'm not gonna get any views from that, as if I'm getting views from this. Okay, it said half a cup of glue. We're just gonna pretend. I don't know what half of a cup is, so we're just gonna. That was probably a cup. Okay, half a teaspoon of baking soda. I feel like that was half a teaspoon. A tablespoon of saline solution. Okay. I have no idea what a tablespoon is. Okay, anyways, mix. It's forming, but it's also really watery. I think I put too much water. This is already a fail. And how many minutes has it been? 4 minutes. I can't read. Sorry guys, I'm blind. It says to knead. I don't think I'm gonna need that. We're gonna put some more of this in, because I think that's what the activator is. I don't know, I'm not a slime guru. Don't come for me like that. Dude, it's all over the place. I don't think this was a great idea. Are you supposed to put the glitter in first? Only I would make slime on my bed at midnight. I'm 90% sure my dad can hear everything I'm saying right now. He's probably like, this dumb bitch. Okay, I don't know where the fork went. Oh, it's right there. It blends in. Okay, I'm sorry, Forky Forky. Ha! But it formed. It's like a slime baby. It's like my pet. She's very thin. Can't relate. She needs more glitter. She needs more. She's gonna be coated in glitter. She's gonna be a shining star. Let's do gold. So proud. I thought this was gonna be a literal fail, and it wasn't. It wasn't. I just made a slime baby. She's tearing apart. Why is she tearing apart? I think I did fuck it up. I think I did. No! That's not supposed to happen. Okay, now she's a mess. Now she's a real mess. Okay, I'm just gonna play with it. That's not what is supposed to happen. I'm kind of upset now. How do you unactivate slime? the slime baby's too big. No! It's gonna get, oh my. It has hair and dirt in it now. Breaking news, everyone. I'm pretty sure I'm Emma Chamberlain's doppelganger because we act the same, we dress the same, and we look the same. Like, I just really want her to know. So if you all could, like, why is it doing that again? If you all could, like, what's the word? Tag, can you like tag in YouTube videos, like share this video on Twitter and tag her in the tweet. And just tell her, because she needs to know that I am her long lost twin. She just needs to know. She just really needs to know. Imagine if you made a bubble. Let's make a bubble. Let's make a bubble. Let's make a bubble. So we're just gonna let her. And then we're gonna. I did it. I did it. I made a bubble. It's all over my thick Kim K thighs. Alright. Alright, everyone. So, that's it. This is it for my video. If you like it, give it a huge thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe because your girl needs to hit 300. Because I hashtag deserve it. And since I hashtag deserve it, you should hashtag subscribe. Okay, well if my mom comes up here, I'm dead. Because also, I don't have a lid for this. So it's gonna dry up. I don't want it to dry up. I want to bring it to school and show everybody my slime baby. I have to wake up early. That's fucking ridiculous. I'll see you guys hopefully next week because I'm making more videos now. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty freaking amazing. When I go to the beach, there's gonna be a freaking like lit ass, dank ass. Is dank like a good describing word? I don't know. Like a freaking amazing. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Bye. What slime? Do you think I could put it up my ass? Okay, no. Never mind. Okay, bye.